Hi friends, this video shows how to install voice data for text to speech. Go to settings, select all settings from top right corner. Go to accessibility, then select text to speech. Select engine configuration. Select language. If you want to change language, you can change language here. If you want to use system language, you can use the first option. Otherwise, you can select another language from the list. Go back. Then here you can see install voice data option. Select it. And here we can download and install voice data for selected language. Okay. After that, if you want to test, you can go back to accessibility, set screen reader or talk back, then enable this. Then you can test. Okay, so this way we can fix that issue. Just install a voice data for selected language. Okay, so please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.